Hey, what's up everybody? It's Aga here from Asad Abbas channel. This is my first unboxing video of VIVO Y81i. There will be a short review about this phone, whether you should buy it or not. It's not a mid-range device, this is a basic phone that comes out with these configurations as you can see. It comes out of the box with the latest Android 8.1 Oreo ready. It's having its own front touch OS 4.0 with a display of 6.2 inches not display with a screen resolution of 720 by 1520 with a 270 pixel per inches. It comes with a 5 megapixel of front and 13 megapixel back camera sensors. So without wasting any time, let's just start it.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
Okay, I've just received this device from the TCS. Forget about the packing because I've already opened it. Let me just go through it. It's a beautiful solid premium looking box with having Vivo and Pong branding itself on the top. Vivo Y81i continues the legacy of the notch display phone. Now the new features are added in the different department of the phone that includes the AI powered camera which will improve the picture quality of your phone. There are some information and the details about the phone on the back of the box as well. Phone comes out with a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB internal storage with a quad-core 2.0 GHz processor and the PowerVR GE8320 GPU. Let's just open the box and see what Vivo is giving to us. On the top there is a pack that includes the booklet and the silicone cover. Just bring them out and there it is. There is a booklet that we never read. Keep the phone aside and give a moment to the booklet and the stuff we got. There are two documents that contain the guide, how to use the device and configure this device. Let me just throw this and talk about the silicone cover which will protect your device partially from being damaged. It's really very nice. It's really very soft and the size and the finishing is awesome. Let me just keep it aside also. Let's talk about the phone. There it is, 6.2 inches large display device with the 83% screen to body ratio. The device is in black color with a weight of 143 grams having the glass front and the plastic back, and it's also a dual SIM device. Keep the phone aside, see what else is in the box, and there it is, the SIM injector tool. Thank you Vivo. And yes, there is no USB type C, you are still having the same micro USB 2.0. Don't know when type C will replace the world. Well, keep it aside. You will receive simple 1 ampere charger for non-removable 3260 mAh power battery that takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to complete charge. The Vivo Y81i released late on June 2018 in Pakistan. On the sides we have volume rockers and the power button, and on the back we have the Vivo branding, and on the top we have 13 megapixel camera that can record up to 1080p video. And the shiny black is a plastic material. In the bottom we have USB 2.0 charging port with 3.5mm headphone jack and the microphone and the speakers as well. Let's just boot the device and see the setup. Perfect finishing with the black plastic shining material. That's awesome. Our device is almost ready. Let's have a first look of the device. I've already configured the device, so let's just start. This device is having an IPS panel with a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels, 19.9 ratio, approximately 270 pixel per inches density. With the Android 8.1 Oreo ready, a dual SIM device having its own Fun Touch OS 4. If we talk about the chipset, it uses Mediatek MT676 and Helio 822 12nm chip, and it's also have a quad-core 2.0 GHz Cortex A53 and also PowerVR GE8320 GPU. You might be thinking about the microSD card. Yes, it also supports the microSD card up to 256 GBs. It's also have its internal storage of 16 GB and the 2 GB of RAM. Round edges of this device on the top and the bottom makes this device super cool, and it will give you the really premium look. It has the less pixel density, but the overall look and feel is just awesome. If you talk about the sensor, it comes with accelerometer, proximity and compass sensors. They also have FM radio and Bluetooth 5.0 and comes in a black and red color. Opening up camera app, you will get 4 tabs like take photo, video, face beauty and professional. Main camera setup is a single 13 megapixel camera with aperture of f2.2 with LED flash, and it gives HDR and panorama shots. In professional mode you can set the configuration as you need according to the scene. Talking about the video camera, you can get 1080p video with a 30 frames per second maximum and the lower quality as well. Talking about the selfie camera, it's less but enough to capture good photos in the daylight. It's a single 5 megapixel camera with a aperture of 2.2. Face beauty feature is added in the front camera, which brings a huge change in the photography. All but improved face unlock technology is also coming in Y81i. Vivo is very much inspired with the iPhone. They almost use the same gestures and icon with its fun touch OS. So if we conclude or summarize our video, the phone comes up with the 2 GB of RAM and the 2.0 quad-core processor and 16 GB internal memory with extendable memory card. I forgot to mention that no earphones are coming in the box now. So if you are a normal user, then these specs are enough for you to socialize and normal gaming. 6.2 inches notch display of the phone supports HD plus resolution. The display is stretched through the edges, leaving the small bezels on the sides and top of the phone, where the bottom of the phone have some bezels, but it still looks very pleasing. So if we talk about the prices, this device comes in 19,000 PKR. So that's okay. You should consider this device with this price tag because in these specs and these configurations, there are hardly devices that gives you these specs within this price tag. So that's it, the whole Vivo Y81i. My first unboxing video ever. Leave a comment if I missed anything or you want me to improve or you want to know anything about this device. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and kill the subscribe button. That's what I can ask you in the end. So this is all from Asad Abbas. See you in the next video. Goodbye.